Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got these clamps that keep these ramps from rattling. It's a great design. There's other designs out there. They allow that turn in the middle here, a slide in the middle. You're going to get rattle, rattle, rattle. Going to drive you crazy. So when I take this to the ground, I can do this using only my index finger. Check that out. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base. 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here. And we do give a free set of Q-straight and pull-tight tie-downs away with each van. Headliner looks great. Between those front 2 seats, there's about 21 inches of room. You can pull a wheelchair up in here. The passenger's legs will sit between. The bottom will sit just behind these seats if they're a lot wider than 21 inches. It's got the armrest back here. Rear air headliner looks great. The dash is in excellent condition. No signs of any holes or cracks in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. It actually has aftermarket stereo in it with a DVD player. Dual climate control, rear air, plenty of cup holders, plenty of plug-ins. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process. Very easy to do. Look here, 1 finger. That's all it takes there. Clamp it down, and you are ready to roll. Give the trunk a good slam. All right. Quick walk around to this van. Very clean. Tinted windows in the rear. You know, it's hard to find a dent or scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's been very well taken care of. Of course, it's going to have a few minor, little dings and scratches in it, but overall, very clean. I don't see any signs of any big dents or anything like that. It's a real sharp looking van. Whoever's owned this is taking good care of it. Our Carfax shows 1 owner, no accidents. I'll show you the Carfax here in just a minute, but I wanted to complete this walk around. Everything looks good. On the interior, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this van in our possession. It's internet scam out there. They'll put a VIN number online, try and get you to send a deposit to hold the vehicle, then they disappear. Always make sure you get a video of that VIN number before you ever send any money. Alright, speaking of that VIN number, we always do a free Carfax with every one of our vehicles. You can see this 2015 Caravan, no accidents or damage, 1 owner, 12 service records, last owned in California, so a rust-free area. As I scroll down here, you can see everything is green. There's no total loss, no structural damage, no airbag deployment, no accidents reported, no recalls, so everything we're looking for. Then you can see all the service done on this vehicle. You can check it out for yourself in further detail. Well serviced, 1 owner, no accidents, clean title. You cannot ask for much more. So we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. Alright, as far as the rest of the interior of the van, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. These back seats got the headrest, have the flip down armrest. Very clean as well. As I go to start the van, we've got the 1 key fob. If you want to get another one made, we generally charge $199 for those, so let us know if you want one made. You can see the current miles, 66,028 miles. You can see all the dummy lights work, and they all go out. There's no check engine light on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. It's got the DVD player here. It also got a backup camera on it. It's got the dual climate control, rear air like I mentioned. AC works great, thank God, because it is hot today. Before I pop the hood, we've also checked not only the small stuff, but everything big. Power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise, power mirrors, power lock, everything. We push every button on this van. It's not one of those vans you check out online or you go look at and then someone didn't tell you a whole bunch. They didn't tell you check engine lights on. They didn't tell you about a big dent in the door. That is not how I do business. I'm too busy selling vans to try and get involved in all that. I'm being honest as I possibly can. The rear tires are Bridgestone. They're about 5 to 6 seconds. The front tires, this one over here is a Michelin, about 6 seconds on it. And the passenger side one has about 8 seconds on it, and it's also a Bridgestone. So the tires do not match. And before you come crying to me about that, listen, I'm adding free shipping, I'm doing Carfaxes, I'm doing videos. Oh yeah, and I'm undercutting the competition by about $10,000. So the buck's got to stop somewhere. I'm shooting you straight. If you want new tires on here, all 4 brand new, let me know. But I hope you can see in my videos I am being honest and fair as I possibly can, and that is rare in the car business. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of an accident. Everything looks just the way we want it to. Got your emissions control sticker there. Everything looks good. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Like I said, this is a California van. No signs of any bent metal, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any abnormal rust or anything like that. Just a little bit of surface rust. And that's to be expected on vehicles that are 6.5 years old. So, you know, that's the #1 mistake people make though when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's low miles. They assume because it looks good in pictures. You know, they assume because the salesman was nice to them, they automatically assume it's a clean van. They assume it's not all rusted out. You know, nothing could be further from the truth. So, you know, demand a detailed video like this. A lot of these dealers will buy these vans from New York or Chicago, or they'll buy salvage vehicles and fix them up, or floods. Demand a Carfax, demand a detailed video like this, and don't assume things. And if you do assume things, and that van shows up to your house, or you go to get it, and it's not what you expected, or it's got a bunch of problems they didn't tell you about, listen, you got nothing, you got no one but yourself to blame. If someone's gonna ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a mobility van, and they won't get off their backside and go make you a video, why are you even talking to them? Why are you even dealing with them, much less even a Carfax? And if they won't, you know, tell them to hit the road. So let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. All right, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping or if you come in and drive this van home, you know we've made it roadworthy. We've made sure the steering wheel is nice and straight, it drives nice down the highway. You know you don't have to assume. Don't assume things. With that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We sell very affordable extended warranties, good nationwide at any shop, the shop of your choice. We strongly recommend one of those. Talk to your salesperson about those. Excuse me. Let us know how we can help, and most importantly, protect your investment. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they're doing, they're just trying to get you to call. They want to get you in, then they want to talk you into buying it. Then they add on a $500 fee here, another $500 there, $200 here, $99 there. Next thing you know, they got a whole $1,500 in fees, and then the free shipping, which they don't offer. Next thing you know, that real nice price is now $3,000 or $4,000 more than you expected because they have a bunch of fees they didn't tell you about. Listen, again, that's not how I do business. The price you see is the price to get this van to your doorstep. What I'm gonna do is give the van a nice hard brake at the bottom of this exit so you can see the braking works perfectly. And while I'm doing that, if you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Nice hard brake here. There's no one behind me. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. But if you'd like to give me a call, 316-262-8267. And hey, if you want to talk to a used car salesman, give the competition a call. I'm sure they'd love to talk to you. Probably call you back 3 times a day for the next 2 weeks. You know, they're not going to be there in 2 or 3 months. They really don't care if you get a good deal. All they care about is that commission check. Well, me, I'm the owner. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. I'm not high pressure. I'm very low pressure. And I promise you, if you don't buy this van, someone else is gonna. So we're no desperate need to sell it, and I'm gonna eat tonight whether you buy this van or not. So that's the difference between doing business with a small business and doing business with the owner. So ask those big companies, ask the VMI, Freedom Motors, Bronze, Mobility Works. Say, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number because you got mine, 316-518-4377. You can call or text me anytime. My name is Jeremiah. And if you want to do business with a big company, you want to be just a number where you have to call in and wait on hold and get transferred to 5 different people, then end up in someone's voicemail and never get a call back, be my guest. If you want to call and do business with people that know your name, that remember you, that take care of you, that you've got the owner's cell phone number, give me that call or give me that text. And we do have financing available. You can apply on our website at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com, where you can see detailed Carfax reports, detailed pictures, and these detailed videos as well. Or we can send an application to your phone or your email, or we can even take one over the phone if technology is not your thing. Hey, we get it. We're here to help. So I just wanted to thank you for checking out our mobility van, and as always, thanks so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.